one take once again.
Yes.
Aprilice Academy. Talk about what is Aprilice Academy.
Aprilice Academy is a concept we have for educating our customers and the market. And say the big thing for us is that it's all driven by our own experience from installation, development, and also my background as electrical engineer.
Yeah. So, and what would you say is the biggest difference Aprilice Academy compared to other education that is out in the market?
I will say that from my side, the take is that I have been out there on the roofs. I have been doing installations, I've been doing connections. I have myself installed 100K inverters and switch gears and so on.
Yeah. So now we have a fantastic opportunity, new year, a lot of new dates for Aprilice Academy. Can you talk a little bit about the setup this year? Who is it for? Is it for installers, a beginner, advanced? What is it for?
We have made a little bit of change this year, so we have divided it like say basic project planning training, and that have been divided into two courses. One is with focus on electrical installations for electrical installers, and the other one is with focus on say building construction for roofers, carpenters, and such. So because we see that it's a little bit different what focus they have, these two groups.
Yeah. So yeah, this is the trend we see on the market today. There's like electrical generalist installer, there's like roofing companies, and there's like pure PV companies. So it's fantastic that now we have Aprilice Academy for all the different types of customers.
Yeah.
And would you recommend a startup to join, or how would you recommend somebody to join?
Knowledge is never heavy to carry, as they used to say. So I definitely recommend if you're thinking about starting up to join, so you get better knowledge about say problems and scary things that can be out there. So because it's always the things that the customers will face that you also have to face as a say new guy in the market.
And one thing I think we talk a lot about is because you and me, we come from the installation side, the technical side. We have been on site ourselves a lot of times. So we are not like a book guy. We are like actually doing this stuff. So it's like we build an academy for installers by installers, and also for ourselves, for our own staff, our own colleagues.
Yeah. Everything originated from having say in-house training for our installers. So I was out there having this Fridays meeting with installers, teaching them how to use the screw machines and how to install cables and so on. And this is what we now also forward to the rest of the market.
Perfect. So if you are a current Aprilice customer, or if you are an Electroscandia customer, or if you are going to be Aprilice customers, then you can join this Aprilice Academy and you can take part on the different dates. Where can you find the different dates?
It's listed in the Aprilice training and event
calendar.
Yeah, calendar. Perfect. On the homepage.
So they can see all the roadshow, all the education, all the academy dates.
Exactly, exactly.
Okay, perfect. Thank you very much. So this is today's one take. If you're interested in Aprilice Academy, please check out our website, and see you soon again.
Yeah, thank you.